When fitting a fire door, it's important that the hinges have hinge pads on them. These are available pre-cut, self-adhesive, and just stick on the back. Very simply, on the back of the hinge, pre-cut to size. One on each flap or leaf. And it fits neat to the size of the hinge. Like so. So they're ready. SPARKA hinges are a 5-knuckle hinge. 2 parts on one side and 3 on the other. The 2 parts go on the door. So check they fit in the slot neatly. Pilot drill the holes and put the screws in. I use one of these plunge drills. You can line it up. Using one of those type of drills, it just helps to get this drill in the centre, pilot hole. As this is an oak lipping, it's very important that you do pilot drill the hole because you don't want the wood to split. So that's the one hinge, second hinge, double knuckle on the door. So that's your top 2 hinges ready now for hanging in the door frame.